Good morning to everybody. Welcome to online classes. Hope all of you are well. Already you listened from me about the most haunted places in India. Now I will go through this chapter, means it is a section of Unit 1, an armchair tour of some of India's most haunted place. Now we will explain from the book. Cultures around the world have different kinds of ghosts and spirits that can be found in myths, legends, folklore and popular literature. Explanation 1. Customs around the world have different types of spirits and soul that can be found in folk tale, epic, mythology and popular creative writing. Explanation 2. Traditions around the world have different kinds of spooks and psyche that can be found in fable, fairy tale, saga and popular compositions. Explanation 3. Fantasy around the world have different types of soul and anima that can be found in fable and popular imaginative writing. While some people choose to believe, now from the book, while some people choose to believe in ghosts, others are completely dismissive of their existence. While, explanation 1, while some people select to trust in spirits, others are entirely negative of their way of life. That means somebody believing there is spirit and somebody did not believe that the spirit is there. Explanation 2. While some people pick to accept in soul, others are totally offhand of their extent. Explanation 3. While some people adopt to understand in ghosts, others are wholly dismissive of their existence. Now from book. These spirits could be friendly or scary, and in most tales they can be found in abandoned or ruined buildings. These spooks could be friendly or terrifying. In most folk tales they can be found in deserted or defaced buildings. Explanation 2. The spirits could be friendly or spine-chilling. In most imaginative stories they can be found in rejected or spoiled building. Explanation 3. These souls could be friendly or scary, and in most fairy tales they can be found in neglected or deformed buildings. Now from book. Let us now read an excerpt from a newspaper article about India's most famous haunted places. A reference to this I will tell whatever haunted places story I already told you, that is all taken from the newspaper itself. As per the reporter, researcher, they already visited that place. Based on that they written, and that already I elaborate you regarding this haunted story. So From the book, let us now read an excerpt from a newspaper article about India's most famous haunted place. Explanation 1. Let us now know an extract from a newspaper gadget about India's most renowned haunted place. Explanation 2. Let us now study a part from a newspaper report about India's most eminent haunted places. Explanation 3. Let us now learn a section from a newspaper features about India's most popular haunted places. Now from the book. While Halloween and costumes have only recently found their way into India's vocabulary, our villages and cities have lived through decades of lore revolving agonized spirits, revenge-seeking ghosts, and haunting apparitions. Explanation 1. While Halloween, you know about Halloween, I will not elaborate about that. While Halloween and garments have only latterly found their way into India's lexicon, our villages and cities have lived through decades of myths going round, suffered souls, revenge-seeking spirits, and hunting spooks. Explanation 2. While Halloween and dresses have only currently found their way into the India's lexis, our villages and cities have lived through decades of mythology, turning round disturbed spirit and revenge-seeking spirit and hunting ghosts. Explanation 3. While Halloween and apparels have only newly found their way into India's terminology, our villages and cities have lived through dictionary of fantasy, rotating lamented spirits, revenge-seeking ghosts, and hunting ghosts. Maybe while I was talking this explanation, maybe mispronounce Halloween, maybe I pronounce some other pronunciation. It is Halloween. Okay, now go for next book. From book, Gargi Gupta goes on an armchair tour of some India's most haunted place. Actually, it is mentioned goes on an armchair tour. That means it is not the mention that by armchair she visited there. So explanation 1. Gargi Gupta moves of some India's most cursed places. Explanation 2. Gargi Gupta progresses of some India's most otherworldly places. Explanation 3. Gargi Gupta makes journey of some India's most ghostly places. Based on that, whatever Gargi Gupta explained about the Bhangar Fort, that I will explain here. Spooks says, think of, is from book. Spook says, think of Harry Potter or the Twilight series. On the success of recent films like Annabelle and The Conjuring, and it's evident that more and more people like really a good scare. Horror movies are going, horror movies sales are going high, and there are suspense and thrill. means horror movies sells. So many people are liking to see the horror movies, so that sales of horror movie cassettes or CD, they are liking to watch the movie, as there are suspense and thrill. You can think of Harry Potter or the Twilight series. Twilight series, as per Twilight series, there is 4-5 book is there, movie is there. Twilight, Twilight Dawn, Twilight Saga, Twilight Dawn, etc. Like this series, if you want to enjoy, you can, but you try to watch this movie along with your parents. So the Twilight series on the victory of recent film like Annabelle and The Conjuring, and it's undoubted that more and more people like a really good panic. Explanation 2. Horror thrill movies sales are ongoing in recent years. You can think of Harry Potter or the Twilight series on the achievement of recent film like Annabelle and The Conjuring, and it's observable that more and more people like a really good shock, not harmful to heart, but really sometime some people are liking these ghost stories or ghost movies. Explanation 3. Thrill movies sales are ongoing just like a hotcake. You can think of Harry Potter or the Twilight series on the benefit of recent film like Annabelle and The Conjuring, and the people are liking this type of movies very much, as they wanted to watch a really unnerved sensation in this movie. Now from book. H. It is there. No wonder then that haunted places are the new tourist hotspot. I will explain this in the next recording.